Hello everyone, Ganuchi Sanok and welcome to my channel. The South African Police Service, which is SAPS, has officially cleared the second suspect, Fezile Ngubane, in the Uluratho Mongale case. Fezile was handed over to KwaMashu Police Station yesterday, the 30th of May, by his father after learning that police were looking for him in connection with the matter. A preliminary report revealed that Fezile washes cars for a living and stays in the same area as the main suspect, Philangenkosi Makhanya. Philangenkosi died during a shootout with police at a flat in Amanzimtoti yesterday, the 30th of May. The National Police spokesperson said the deceased suspect allegedly identified Fezile as a soft target, took his ID smart card and used it to recast SIM cards. These SIM cards were allegedly used by Philangenkosi to commit kidnapping and robbery involving young women. It was also revealed that Philangenkosi used Fezile's bank card to make purchases at various clothing stores. Fezile's ID was among the items found in Philangenkosi's possession. Police are currently investigating at least 20 cases where women were allegedly kidnapped and robbed by the main suspect, Philangenkosi Makhanya, and his associate, Bongani Mtimkhulu. Authorities are still searching for Bongani and have urged him to hand himself over as soon as possible. So why was Fezile Ngubane, the guy that has been cleared, running away? I mean, his father was the one that handed him over at KwaMashu Police Station. He was on the run all along.
We know that he's also having a kidnapping case here at KwaMashu that he was supposed to appear in court for. We know of the court case in Brakpan where he was supposed to appear on Monday on a kidnapping case as well. We have not less than 28 cell phones, I beg your pardon, ID cards that are found in his possession, and not less than 20 cell phones that are found in his possession. He's been moving around with a safe. We don't know for what purpose. So we're still trying to trace these IDs, who they belong to, and who are these people that is having the IDs here. And the cell phones, we're still going to download all of them and try to link them up. We like to believe there's a lot of victims that are going to be involved with this guy.